Hey guys, so what's up? Alright, so let's talk about the Bitcoin mining and how profitable it is. Alright, so I'm gonna put the screen recording that I did earlier, so you can see how well the Antminer S9 is performing, and it is running outside on the roof, so it gets a lot of circulation. And I did put some protection around it, so if rain does fall, it doesn't affect it at all. All right, so for the Antman S9, I had it running for a couple months, and the amount that I made from it is about $435. I'll put that on the screen also. Yeah, and it's really profitable because right now I am running it on solar power. I'm not running it on traditional electricity anymore because it's more profitable on solar power. Uh, yeah, there's not much to say. I will do a video on the solar system and the whole setup of it all. So, guys, in Jamaica, I do think everyone should be getting into the whole crypto trading, mining, all of that stuff because it is really good. Crypto is like everywhere right now, and it's so profitable. When I started mining, Bitcoin was at, I think, 19,000 at the time. That was 3 months ago, and now Bitcoin is at probably 63,000 right now. And all right, so I do want to check something out. I want to show you guys something. Okay, that's not it. All right, so Bitcoin is at 63,000 right now, and the S9i miners hashes is at about 14 tera hashes, and it consumes around, yeah, let's just say 1500 watts. Since I'm mining off solar power, so I'm not gonna calculate any costs. I'm not really paying for anything at the moment. So it says right here, this is just the estimate you can make in a day. So you can make $382, and this is all in USD. You'll make $382 in US dollars, guys, just by mining, because Bitcoin is at 63,000. I wonder if you can see that. Anyway, Bitcoin is at 63,000, and that's what you can make per day. This is just an estimate, and per week you can make $2,678, and per year, no, per month you can make $11,000, and it goes on. Yeah, so Bitcoin mining right now is really profitable, and this is just from one S9 miner, guys. I'm only using one of my 8 S9 miners at the moment because I still need to upgrade my solar system so it can support more miners, because the Bitcoin miners particularly, they use a lot of electricity. So for me to run all of them on the solar system, I need more solar panels, I need more solar batteries, and I need a bigger power inverter. The power inverter that I have now is a 1500 watt power inverter, and the S9 draws about 13 to 1400 watts, just a little bit under 1500 watts. So that's okay for right now, and that's the only one that I can run on the solar system, because then I need more batteries, I need more solar panels, and I need a bigger power inverter. Yeah, and the solar system that I am using is the Renogy solar the Renogy 100-watt solar panel. It is really good. I did a lot of research before I bought it, and that's the only one that I saw was the well, it was the best one as what I did my research on, and as far as I can see. Yeah, and I will put that on the screen also so you guys can see how much it costs and all of that. And the battery that I'm using is a Pirate battery, 35 amp hour. That's the literal name of the battery. The battery is called Pirate battery, and it's a 35 amp hour battery. It does last, well, for me it does last the whole day because in Jamaica it is sunny all around, so that's good enough for now. But I did want the 100-watt Renogy battery, but those are pricey, so I just gotta work with what I have now. And also, yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. And I appreciate you guys for watching the whole video, if you watch the whole video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys, for more content. When I upload, you'll get a notification uh, for my new videos, guys. So take care.